friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw oval from Save the Shapes, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by splitting our paper in half. On the left, we're going to draw in a circle for that left eye. We'll step across, replicating that on the right, leaving a gap right in the middle. Let's move in closer towards the inside, drawing in another circle for that pupil. Now let's add in the highlight. So again, moving closer towards the inside, drawing in another circle for that highlight. And then now let's color in our pupil black. Let's add in some eyelashes on the side, curving this up towards the top on both sides. Let's come down for the mouth. We're going to curve this down and then back up on the right. Let's round this out on the edge, curving this over, back through, and then down on the right. Now let's come up for the hair. So from the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up. From this point, we're going to tuck this line in, out, and through to the top. Now on both sides, we're going to curve this line down to the bottom. From that point, we're going to round this out, tucking this back through and up. On the left, let's curve this down towards the eye, bringing that back in. To the right, we're going to extend this further out, tucking that back up. Let's focus on the left first. So we're just going to curve this line in and then curving that back up. Underneath, we're going to round this out to the left, curving that back through on the side. And then again, we're just going to round this out on the edge. Now on the right, we're going to curve this line out and in, tucking that back through. From that point, curving this out. And then we're going to bring this back in, up, and through to the top. Now from here, extending this in and out. And then we're going to bring this down. Let's round this out on the top. So we're going to tuck this in slightly. And then now we're just going to round this out, curving this all the way around and through to the center. And then we'll continue this down on the right. So starting from that line on the top, curving this over and in towards that point. Let's draw on the eyebrows up above. So we're going to draw in a curved line on either side. And then now let's round that out, curving that around, over, and back in. We'll do the exact same thing on the left. Let's round this out underneath. So again, drawing in our oval, curving this down and through to the center. And then we'll continue to bring this up and through on the right. Let's draw on the arm. So on the inside, curving this line down. Stepping out, lining that up at the same height, pulling that into the top. Let's close off the rest with a curved line. Moving in behind now, we're going to round this out, curving this over and back through. Let's draw on the thumb. Let's curve this out, tucking that back up. Now for the first finger, curving this around and in. In the center, again, rounding that out, pulling that up. And then one more time, curving this around and through. Now let's draw on the legs. So from the center, stepping out, we're going to draw in a straight line coming down on both sides. We'll step across, lining that up at the same height, pulling that through to the bottom. Let's close this off with a curved line underneath again, like we did for the wrist. And then moving in behind, just rounding this out. Let's move in behind on the shoe. So we're just going to curve this down, ending that at the same height. And then we're just going to curve this line across on the bottom. From that point now, we're going to arch this around and back in. Let's close off the sole of the shoe. So we're just going to curve that across, lining that up at the same height, carrying that through on the right. And that is it. That's how you draw oval from Save the Shapes. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.